So girl, when last daddy called you?
Why? David remember some of one papa.
Eh?
I was a phone exists.
Me worse. Ain't sure we're bad?
Yeah, when by your birthday?
One drinks.
You know, can't get drinks at two come.
Saying I get nothing.
I see men. Two look sweetie man can't come give me about happy birthday, sweetie, happy birthday, babe. Like he thinks
Ain't sure like a doggy.
No, that me want that. If you never want to, like you never just left where we there.
I that me I say we ain't got trouble with her.
Exactly.
Ain't sure the trouble with.
You know the worst thing too. What call it? You see for any girl and run by road they can't get him money.
Yes.
Them they are suffer.
Mm-hmm.
Look up our mommy. Mommy gonna work every day, although we can't. When sometimes we do have a proper meal.
Me say be a mackerel. Be a mackerel and rice.
Well, it better that.
Some better win ya me.
Some people don't have nothing at all.
Me say.
What?
No.
Things on the yard.
No, we just come out of
hot.
Happy true.
Remember say you know how no look on in a roof for back off his son.
Yes. Freedom of grow.
Right.
Give them time. You have plenty shade. Alright?
Yeah.
Just finished work. Me tired, man. Me tired. So what they have reason about?
No, I talk about where sperm doing.
Why you not giving nothing?
I have time for chat about him. That old junk bro. Me no know what me ever did see him, you know.
I don't know neither.
I saw, but mind you, me give thanks.
When last I call him? Wait. When last him call you?
Nobody go say you better with the first question, cause that no know my number. Me
Say no call you?
No, I have to chase him. I'm a deal with him. Me tell you, we deal with him out the street the other day. In come with two little change. And so this is all I have. See what this can do. And so me gonna get chicken foot the other day for dinner.
Out a rum bar in did them
I
and the
know.
money.
Right out a bar and go drink rum.
Me know.
That's all in good for.
Him love make picnic and me know how to maintain them. Cause we no have a sibling. Me no know if he is a brother or sister, so make me leave your father.
He might breed up and now my name.
He might have fun and about the responsibility.
He might have a whole football coach, national team for Jamaica.
Well, we done the group up and play football with him.
Me no know what make him so worthless and tan bad.
You know what's your fault though? Well, you never see it earlier. And when we reach this big, you see it.
And when we open our age, I say St. Kelly, so should I know St. Kelly?
You should have known for the first kid.
True, me always look for the positive in things. You go through everything and me look through for the positive.
Well, you say next time you pick up somebody, start from the negative, yeah? Start from the other way.
If you know them
Come back around. You don't look for them more positive, look for the negatives. You see if he had too much negative, you leave him. Right.
You're right.
You left him in there.
You're right. You see, what is hidden from the wise and prudence is revealed to the child and suckling. Right. May I go put the dinner and come in hot and I'm hungry.
Yeah, but we're hot, so we're still right here.
My belly call me right now.
Oh, so we soon call with too.
Yeah, we soon come.
Pot come off a fire.
Yeah, we love time pot.
Right.
Yeah. Boy, Sean girl.
Where you come from?
Down the road.
Up our yard.
I get on the phone here last night.
No.
Girl, that one piece of story, girl. After we did a ball last night, come and care for that she and so. But everybody liquor, bring to me by liquor.
And he not buy with nothing?
We say fast out like a dog.
He want develop by we want sweet him.
What? And how much money he spent last night?
Exactly my point.
That's how him spend. I know what we spend. He not giving none.
Right now, you see, if we are home, I don't even have no day for fabbing off to wash my clothes. I have to take my clothes to the wrong side.
Dirty clothes, my sister, you know.
We don't even talk clean about it. But don't tell me say I'm me, tell you no. Just say your ears. Say.
We all hear from him, mama.
I don't feel like more tackling. Because if you go find him right now, that is very difficult. We barely even know which party in the bar. Him all around the place.
Be a bar him love.
Him only
bar him love. Last night, well, fast and brave like him win the lot. So me I say no, sir.
That man
I think they must be spoiled.
Spoiled, you know, see how we look.
Oh yeah, damn right, we're spoiled. We're very spoiled, we're rotten. We've spoiled everything.
In the poor way.
Yeah, thank you. Cause
Anyways, I wanna go.
no, I'll pass, I'll
will
go.
see her with her.
I'm see me a top and great. Cause I know say a good never see me.
No, some names you can see on my phone, me them here text girl.
Oh, yeah then.
Anyway, me just start telling you food this kind of answer.
See, over yard hot to so we did say we are walk a god. Mommy pat food don't cook, so if not, me soon go for my yard. Carry them
Alright.
thirsty
We are
and
time
tired.
food.
Yeah. We shall see you.
Yeah, later.
Right.
Yes, sir. Why last night the bad man, I tell you why. Me say I drink. Yes! Me buy everybody juice. Yeah. Hold on there. You hold on there, look a bit there. Touch it. Yeah.
I'm money me along up my hand for.
So what?
Yes, the last night. You pack up here, there rum bar and you drink.
Yo. How long may I wait for you with my money, brother?
No worry, me soon talk to you about that. Hold on now, what you talk about?
Give me money, I'm gonna go and visit.
We don't have no money now, man. Let's link me later.
How are you?
No worry about how owe him. Worry about...
Brother,
Huh?
You know my money. My money.
give me my money, I'm going about my business.
You can't, you don't go make some calm in for man. Relax some time to pick it up.
You say, how long may I wait? 3 days now may I wait for you.
Hello, you're on my veranda.
I wonder if your boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm my boyfriend, you mad? He said taller than me.
Anyway.
Listen to me. It's the last night in the day I run bar. I never do like mom when your mom did they come over there come create excitement. You realize what I did there? In the house. So now I want my money now. Can you go run bar, go drink and junk, and you expect me to eat what? We say cornflakes? I want steak.
I say Camille in there can make...
Me no want no Camille.
So what's wrong with you?
Me no let me something. Let me something to get to people. Come.
We don't have you now. Go to Mr. List go trust. 1
So
franc.
how you have money for you buy people drinks? You buy your friend them
That I
drinks?
did last night and it done. Just go to Mr. List. Get 1 franc and 1 egg and...
And what?
Just that alone.
Me not gonna Alice, me sorry.
Something
You
to
go
do.
buy something you can't give me.
Something to do.
Go get something that Pharaoh you can't give me. But I know who send you go run back, go don't have to go like money. Anytime you get pay out there top.
Alright, me soon come back.
Me a wait.
Yeah.
Me waiting on you. Don't call me.
Oh, tell them girls there. Let me eat my dinner already, and then I come back for it. If anything served too long, served too much, you know. If they're not come too quick, pick up back.
Hey.
Aha!
So that's your dinner plan for the server master.
If you never come, it just a go in the plate.
No, you can't do that, mommy. You can't do
And
that.
that's why we are hungry.
Remember, say I want to play for share. Mommy, I got something to tell you. And it's a good thing. Good.
Well, I could do that and go on the
Good
road.
thing. We go on the road. So you know why? You know what we heard? We hear say our sperm's donor, they are rum bar by everybody juice.
And he drink almost lost.
Yes. He could have found back him way.
When that?
Yesterday.
So we're here.
Yeah.
The old Jankra. And you know, so my phone him, as a 10 time my phone, you know. And before me get him, me have to borrow somebody's phone and phone him from a different number and him answer. Like,
I block you, yeah.
Yeah, so we got a bar.
Yeah.
Go sport with the girl them.
what?
Let's say over 30,000 spend.
I like
Like him win the
I'm a
lotto.
look at where tell a lie.
Where him get 30,000 from? I have we there. I look forward to steppers, and I said thank God for steppers and then no mackerel. 30,000 in a rum bar.
Yes.
Hold on, who tell you that?
We hear.
I
a
hear
good
we hear.
source here.
Good
People
source,
can talk.
good person did
source. Cause the person went by
And he
juice
buy
was
the
there
person juice too.
too. Yeah.
Eh?
Yes.
And I know money for Uno.
Yes.
Watch me and him. Rum bar.
Rum bar.
Watch me and him.
Yes.
I'm joking to Isfa.
Yeah, it's very much a joke.
Ah, boy.
Oh, so I'm not lie the girls them a tell me.
What
Eh? A rum bar, you there drink and I style it with Arizona. Me know, me can smell the rum I come from the can.
We don't talk about.
Hey, me can smell the rum. You know, you say you're a real drunk, bro.
No, but me ask
You're a real
question.
drunk or cruff, you know?
But me ask
Oh,
question.
God.
Me not supposed to go a bar and drink.
No, not when you have so much picnic, you know, mind them. Eh? Me here say yesterday, you there, buy this man a drink, buy that gal a drink. Eh? And we give
I'll
thanks
give
for
you money.
steppers. You picnic there, I give thanks for steppers and a live for flour and a mackerel.
I feel me money.
I feel your money, mind you picnic them, you love go, but you not love mind the responsibility.
Let me ask you a question now. Did I tell you somebody want a next picnic? You go back for the other one. I'm tell you I never want no more because me have one outside.
Me a rabbit now. Me a rabbit that store sperm. I mean store your sperm and decide to me want another one. Or you hold me down. You know, hold me down in the bed. Me and you me supposed to be sleeping. Me come home tired from work. And your Johnny rise up and hold me down so you want
I
it.
was drunk.
And look at the size of me. Me should I kick you with. But we still give thanks and me get me two beautiful picnic. But you get them two and you for mind them. Let's change the subject. Since you have money for rum bar and then your money, I feel with picnic.
So hold on.
For we picnic.
So,
the steppers done and a pair of splashes me have to give them.
Who push
30,000 for rum.
Who bear the pain?
Me bear the pain.
Good.
You not get nothing. You
Who
just get
push, who push them out?
If you have to ask me that, you're real done said.
Right, good. I'm glad you understand that now. So are you to maintain them now?
Stop it with that foolishness. But
My job is done.
Your job done.
Insert them.
Your job done. Try know this. You see, my two girls, you see when them get them qualification and them turn big liar, big job, whatever they want, look at them full of ambition. And you see when it come to my who for mine who, don't come to me and don't come to them. Remember this your day, yeah? Remember this day. You try your own.
Listen.
Oh, dog.
You see, my daughter, me have ya, is more educational. Tell her that. It's more educational
Then you
than
know,
my
man,
other two daughters.
She not, you know, even have sense to take it out of the street. You know, man, she need a, you name Tinker Road and another rum
Who
if
said
you
me that
think.
mind
Go
thing?
along, oh, rum head, yo, crop. You can't turn you, I carry you go court. Oh.
Wait till I see that one day when you're in Shannon. I bet you that girl, you know. And that girl, you know. All right. I must walk you from the road, girl. Yes, you. Why you go to me woman, go tell my woman, say, me a floss last night and I buy everybody juice. Eh? How you feel do that?
Woman? But you know who is a woman and you picnic them, me see. And me tell them, say them see them father. Because last time them father was flossing in bar, spending a lot of money. So I tell them, say, a long time them don't see you. So and then me I explain to
You
them.
You can't follow my picnic them. My picnic them see me every day. Me mind my picnic them. Me a one boy, me make sure me mind my picnic them. Me give my picnic them 10 grand a day. I saw me mind my picnic them, me spoil
And
them.
them tell me say you not give them no. And them have to ever get same clothes. They not even have fab to wash them clothes.
Ungrateful picnic them, me mind them. Me make sure
But you look
them-
like you not feed them for real.
No, them well fed. Me can't do a bar. Look for me good. Me can't do a bar and spend big money and I buy everybody juice and my picnic them at the hungry. No, that can't
Some man stay.
Some of them say what?
But they not even look like them a get feed. Some believe them, and me not believe you, and them me believe. So anything with them say that me a work, they too like if you feed them, pity them.
So that's your child. Your child style me.
But I not lie.
You look like you get feed.
Yeah.
You look like your father feed you. Remember,
No,
say I
about
play a
my
cup soup,
father.
me see a bar a drink, you know. Every time you come a bar a cup soup, me hear you all a fine, you know. So no come tell me, boy, me not feed my pit them eat oxtail, curry goat,
And so that them not even name none time.
lobster, shrimp. I want to come style, man. I come look for me and I tell my pit them and then go to their mother. The same time we book them for the road, you see. I go and lick it to all them head
You can't
together.
argue with me, I have to argue with them.
You go and make
If you don't
you
spend
see
money
when you come back up-
and mine, you're picking them.
you
And
see
stop
me a
that
bar,
bar.
don't ask me for buying a juice.
Me never ask you, are you off? And I said, yes, I want you. Me gonna refuse it? Me not gonna
Alright,
refuse
me
it.
not go off here when you're done. Bright. See, I don't know. I want to put people in a bangarang.
Sometimes I feel sorry for poor. And come out of something that I can stop it. See the sign?
Her life.
Right? Who make
Lad, take time.
push. But so when we don't study, we must be next Albert Einstein.
Me say.
When I care to so good in our life. But we don't do it very dirty.
Old dog. Old dirty dog. Mind yourself. Mind
Yeah,
yourself.
but we poor. We find
Yeah.
no cover.
Thank you for
Mommy, I
sorting out the
pregnant,
bill.
pregnant,
Me see him, you know. Me see him. That is an alcoholic, you know. I'm an alcoholic. You know what I'm do now? You know where I'm reach now? I sit down by a building site like say him just done work. Like say my work. Him a pour the rum in the Arizona but can now. And I drink it out of that.
You see it
you
for
see
yourself.
so it stink.
You see it for yourself.
Yes.
Yes, you know,
A rum drinker.
I understand also we source we're liable.
Oh God. Me pepper him, you know. Me pepper him.
You not give it to him properly.
You should not.
It's alright. It's alright. Cause me not make that kill me. So you know what? From Monday morning, come me, I got Miss Robinson, go straight a liar. Me I got take him to a court.
You
You
know right?
can't deal with him. Eh? Seriously, gonna rum bar, gonna buy man and woman drink and have no day a date and
Mommy,
I got
listen.
the mackerel.
Listen, you should have known saying I love rum before you go pick him up.
Hey. Me not even want God this to remind myself this. All me want to do is thank God. Because no matter what, all of the trials and tribulation, God give me you too.
Right.
I'm glad for the two I know.
Biggest best.
So, me I go find her number. And me I phone, me I take him to court. Me I take him to court because this a foolishness. Him not do me so. Rum.
So the child support.
Aye, me I do it.
Alright.
Oh God, have mercy. Look on the place, eh? Look on the
How will you all
place.
come from, daddy?
Me come here already, you know. I see I'm this, you know.
Me know that. Come here, somebody attack you. But
No,
one
nobody
bag
that.
of something, you like a Arizona, you there, Sergeant, but an Arizona in there.
No,
A rum.
I rum in the 51. But
So where you come from, daddy? Where money then?
Eh?
Give me money now. Me hungry. Give me money now.
say you never look what they call me.
You did deaf, so me no wanna blast it, call me.
You know what people that like to look at call me out there. Eh? I try my best to raise you. Raise you to the top. And this is all you respect. Your mother, they are foreign right now. I work and I send money for me fix up your house so we can live comfortable. And this is what go on with.
That the only thing you fix up with the money is your stomach and your belly. That's the only thing you fix up.
After it.
No, if I did food, it wasn't so bad. When you go to the rum bar, that's the only thing you fix up, the people in rum bar. See how the man level up. AC bar she have now. AC in a bar.
Then,
Level up.
then what wrong if you go to a bar go support the bar? You know like you have a bar and somebody come support it and make it kind of level up.
People like a enough support bar don't have pay. Don't have pay. Don't come straight to my own yard. Don't tap a rum bar. I do what?
We have a free with mine.
Free to my farmer. Every night, sir. Every night.
Yeah, we have a free with mine.
All a daytime, each up a rum bar. I do what? We not a yard. We not have no light.
No, alright. The reason why I go to the rum bar actually every night, right? I have to go there because there you get some jokes and we did a drink and we enjoy ourselves and one and two girls come there, yes, come say we just buy them a drink here. It's not so bad, next
And that's about, alright, hold on. I go open up one bar for you and us. But put on one cartoon, so you laugh, and I go and come in there, so you give me the money.
No, you have
As
a
simple
pick
as
me
that.
can't get the money, so.
So you give them money.
Cause then the girl, I mean, I know them and them, when, so I tell me, me no want no top shelf liquor, you know, but me just pay for it, me just say top shelf, and when you go up there and turn up on that mini skirt, you can look up on that. Yeah, that's how we do it.
He's a pervert.
I'm no pervert. I just naturally look. You don't send them up. Every minute you send them up a top shelf. You have to stand up on a stool because some of them short, you know, man.
And that's why you're so blind. Where the money there? You're there straight from the argument. I money me want, daddy.
Boy, I tell you. Right, that's...
Look here.
Huh?
How much money is it? Can probably eyes them now. Can you go for your glasses for you?
What am I looking for?
How funny?
You know you want no money?
150 that you buy something to eat from man, you couldn't give me $1,000.
I never know that this could have buy one bulla and this could have buy one fruit bag juice. Where you come from?
You better go look at the car meal then.
Right. I'm glad you asked him. She asked him that. That's something you know educational, you know.
I know, I'm just tired of you.
That's something you know educational, you man. Look about the car meal and let me get some there too. Oh God. Woo.
What's your game so hard?
Hello, our beautiful mother.
Hello, baby. You alright?
Yeah.
How are
It
you?
was a game.
Yeah, there. Might not fling it down because we can't afford no more.
No, we're just frustrating. Alright.
Yeah, but how are you cook for breakfast now?
They have the oats still and Lasco's still in the bag. We never finished the Lasco.
No.
Alright. I'm a plenty sugar and thing. We just have to go make oats porridge.
Yeah, bread. Bread left.
Crackers.
Yo, it works. It still works.
That's why I
It's
love
alright.
it, you know.
Yeah.
So have for love, you know. I will not be turning the circle for anything.
Yeah.
Now go check your broke drunk father.
You know, make no sense to do that, yeah.
Mommy, no go this side. You shame tree no day date. Yeah? That alone should have killed that the tree there.
You know, make no sense.
Yeah, every time I go, I see him results or I see him outcome, and I feel like you want to stop now. Make you not just your shop and done. Until I get
owe
paid.
people money, you know, and it's not even my fault.
Just until I get one
Yeah.
to pay it back.
Cause it make no sense to go to him. If I go to him, I come like a trust
You just come back in empty-handed with
I come back
nothing.
in cross and agitated. That's all you're going to do.
You just
You're not
cross
getting
with
out of
spirit. It's true. You just cross with spirit. Alright, mega do that, you know. Mega don't.
I see if they don't want to trust you, you don't buy back from there. You tell them say better you put on a supermarket where you get it cheaper. Cause every time we go a shop, they get the money. Say one look at time they must can't trust you. I don't think they have no excuse.
Yeah, man. Mega go again and trust her.
Yeah.
Alright.
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 Soon come.
Yeah. Come on, we're gonna make you look porridge.
Girl, what happened?
So you want skin or honey bun so?
It's better breeze.
Where you going to take receipt?
Yeah.
More cool breeze, better. We can sit down right here.
Yeah, so we never did a complaint.
So what go on?
No, we go down your father's shop and we not see you. So we come up there. So.
Yeah, sometimes you have to change the location. You can't make people too study.
And that way it's about that heat make we reach right here.
Same
Right
thing.
there,
The
so
heat
cool and
in here.
nice with the
Oh,
big
in the
tree.
house, at.
Brother, right now, me no mind a period fall. Brother, heat for kill. That even if fan not blow nothing.
If I just a
The
blow
fan
hot
blow
breeze, you
heat
know what?
itself.
You know what me did I say? We can't go down a beach or something, but it's on hot. So we'd have to go in the evening where cool. Cause they may hit our face, they mad people.
Very hot, man.
And
No,
you know
sir.
what me did I say too? We could go buy chocolate, done a Chinese. And when we do that, they will just block it, lay it around with some block. And then we throw water in there and go sit down in there.
Maybe that
Right
would
in a
help.
one cool
Maybe.
place. Listen, girl.
Yeah.
Girl, you know what I look for you?
How go on?
Said you should have left the bar early last night, girl.
What happened?
One will for something at my girl.
Like?
Bar nice, have floss and beauty.
Yeah.
Girl, you
So
should have...
you could ring the bird.
Grandma get 20 grand.
What? For who?
Popeye.
Hey.
Girl, don't shush me.
We
Me I tell you, say I get 20 grand for
Girl,
Popeye.
me tell a show people, man, pity them there, so yeah, tell me what me tell a show.
Bar. Come,
We go for the money.
No, you say, wait,
Me say, shut up, you did it, Lord of
Wait, me back here, best take out. Turn up,
Turn up. Where the money
stop
there?
resist. You say money there, yeah, not true?
Yeah.
Okay, so guess what? You go turn around and you go back away where you come from. You go bring it to your yard and give us that 20 grand. So, Papa, and I give you 20 grand much. Anyways, yeah.
Wagwan.
Me no want to come walk on me, no. Me no want to come walk on me. Cause me here say, you give my friend 20 grand. And I pay 5 grand, you give me like me a 5 grand. Girl, where you take me for?
And she tell her that?
Then I will tell me. You never once look for me and give me 20 grand, you give me 5 grand. What 5 grand can do? Come like
It's a start. It's a start.
So why you have she 20 grand for start? You know summer?
Me just know her. Remember say you introduced me to your friend, you know. Me just know her. And she look sorrowful. She wants some tonic and she wants some iron and some pills. She mad.
Not call you that the styling.
Yeah,
Not call
man,
you that the styling.
I like how she dress. She not dress like how you dress.
Oh, me dress.
You dress like you attract a lot of man.
Yeah, no, so no clothes me wear. No clothes she wear.
Yes.
She wear tights, me wear tights. Me wear material, she wear material. Me wear belly skin, she wear belly skin. I same clothes.
Listen me, it's when you are
But
dressed.
that who wear it better.
You just to impress the world. You don't just to attract man. You come like honey. Bees are follow you. Zzz. Yeah.
Cause me sweet, it's them supposed to follow me.
Who's sweet? Have you looked into the mirror this morning?
I always look in there.
Okay, good. You know crack?
No, never.
Okay, thank God. Yeah, every day, when you get up, when you go a rum bar, just to try to find a man. Me see you left, last night early, you know, I'm at Africa, you know. And me glimpse you, and me duck in the bush, you know. How would the boy you walk past with?
I don't walk past with no boy. So don't tell her that for me.
No, you, me see arms up with the boy and you have the cigarette in your hand, girl. No, you.
I wrong somebody. You must have mixed me up with somebody else, cause I never me.
I know you with the shortbread.
No. You say bonnet me around, bonnet.
I know you with the shortbread. I know you.
God?
I know you.
No, this year come here so far.
You can't style me.
Oh, I use time, can you give my friend 20 and you come give me 5? Like, what me look like?
I'll tell you the truth. You know why me give her 20 grand? Because when me see how the man I walk past me, that say, you know, when me give
That's the last night I'm here your friend from long time.
So I say, when me give him friend 20 grand, that him friend can go boast pan her. Make it hurt you, me did it try hurt your feelings. And that me did try do, you know. I saw me hurt people feelings.
That doesn't push me if you go look somebody better.
Nobody can better. I shell the bar every night. Every man in there, you notice I me buy them liquor.
One soon come, we're gonna do better than you. I mean, never go boast.
If one come down the better than me come back again and shell the whole entire bar and I left.
Oh, so yes, a competition.
I got some money and I have more.
So you alone will have money.
My woman has said no money come from foreign to me tomorrow. So me I go flash again show you.
My hope she not feel you.
Feel who?
My hope she don't feel you. Cause you know what? Have a nice day. You heard me come go about my business.
You're lucky.
Me ever lucky.
Me I wait till you reach far in the car. Me I don't feel they walk on the same road.
You're lucky.
You feel a mosquito and time mosquito down in the people. It's a zone.
Hey,
What, mommy?
which one I wanna do the porridge? Girl, me teach you for cook right.
Papa, my shirt.
Belly full, man. Me have all 3-month belly.
Wait, then I lay Papa, my shirt. No?
Papa off our shirt.
Pop off the
Yeah,
shirt,
me
take
like
it up.
chef,
You can cook, you
five-star.
learn good. You learn
Yeah,
good.
but guess what?
What?
I host will continue hot.
But we walk every day.
Cause you know why? Here you go. We got 10 grand for y'all.
Yes.
And where you get this, yeah?
And guess what? Your shop bill, it's cleared.
Yeah.
The 10 grand is cleared.
I prank this with the camera.
No.
I
How is
prank
it?
this.
Well, it's
Where
not
you
for
gonna
the
get this
camera.
kind of money from?
We go walk and we see a friend and we see a friend. And one girl come there and talk to our father, give her 20 grand.
Yeah.
How much?
And we go back for you 20 grand for
From the girl. Because I'll pop and
Ah,
argue
we
with
not
that, so we
get- we
take
not
it so
get
she not
20
deserve it neither.
And boy, you gonna shell bar last night.
Mm-hmm. That's
So you put
Again.
money this?
Yeah, that's why we take it.
Why? Road suit to the man. Road
Right,
suit
like
to
we have to
no.
go every day.
Why? And then I take it and give me. Oh God, I cleared up. Me have to thank you. Oh, God bless
Tell me
me,
why.
Nina. Oh God bless. You see they now me I warn him, you know, me I tell him, you know, and treat to no like crap. I will on a liquor and then I have it. And you see what the Lord do? You find your blessing and you come to me with it. I thank you, I thank you.
Yes.
101 for dinner. What una want for dinner because R is
Oxtail.
better than an oxtail?
Yes. The same thing.
Oxtail?
Brown stew.
Right. Me I gotta do that. I may have the
Right,
all right.
Is an oxtail.
We are mommy, we can't spend it after quite.
No, me not spend it off. Me I gotta put up some
Yes.
and me I gotta invest some and me I gotta do shopping.
Right.
And me have little chains. So if you don't want the little things and the deodorant and everything, just shout me, me put it
The
up.
only thing I want do I want. What's up name? Toothpaste.
Yeah man,
Yeah,
me say me
that's
gotta do
all.
shopping.
That's all.
Oh God. You see? Hey, it go around one way or the other.
Yeah.
Long run, short catch. Him give it 2 more and it come straight back in
Back
our
away.
hand.
Yes.
All right. Me gonna shop now.
Yeah.
All right. Bless you. Now this
Yeah.
was headed.
We soon go over.
All right. Walk and be careful.
Yeah.
Daddy, all the money me come about.
Me broke.
And why you look so?
Hmm?
Why you look so?
Oh, wait up.
Yeah, sweaty.
No, I'm going to do some work, you know. Your mother not send no money yet.
Daddy, you bed?
Huh?
Yeah, you bed?
When? Today I talk?
Yeah, you bed today?
No, I'm not be today.
When last I bed, Daddy?
Yesterday evening.
No one is still in their dirty clothes. You couldn't take it off.
For what? Am I clothes?
Anyways, more want the money.
Me not no money, I know, me broke.
And how you find the money every time you do a rum bar? Me need the money.
When you go a rum bar, I feel my friend them buy rum give me. Me not spend money. Cause me not
That me
have
a
it.
hear.
Remember, you know, your mother they are foreigner, work out her backside, send money, come here to fix up your house. And me I store the money them. Me have to store them and put them down till when the money reach 30 million, me start work on the house again, you see me?
Daddy, the money not reach 30 million because mommy send the money and you that a rum bar.
Me just tell you like me I spend.
I eat, yes, but you get money from you all top work. So you get money from to survive.
And my friend them buy the rum. And me just see
Daddy,
the whole
you
of
know you
vibes.
want your friend them. All I want is the money. Money.
You ever think we go get a job?
No. I'm not supposed to get a job at that you there for. Money.
You see all somehow, no?
Daddy, money.
Somehow is a backside of a thing. Eh? Boy, me no know. Poor me. Poor.
And you me a talk to. My money there.
Me say me not have no money. Me broke.
Jesus. We can't
Where me get money from? Me a work.
Popeye. I can't
Swimmers.
believe, say.
What
I
go on?
can't believe, say. The 20 grand you give me, you two put them come take it.
Swimmers. Yo, you can chat to you.
Hello,
You can
hello.
calm me out. This I explain.
Excuse me. You know him?
Yeah.
I'm at about 2
Me
people.
no know him.
You should say they are right house.
Yes.
You should say not see now.
No, Popeye. Popeye.
How much Popeye there? How much Popeye there in that
Popeye
world?
give me 20 grand.
How much Popeye in that world?
So you give me 20 grand and can't give me 3 grand?
Me give you 20 grand?
Yeah, at the bar.
Look how me good. Me look like a somebody go a bar. Look how me good.
So they have Chick-fil-A, yeah, you got a bag of dash money pan.
Me not touch no money pan cheese stick.
You just say a little pity this year.
Me not ask age. Me not expect me to fit in a bar.
Hello.
Yeah.
Which 2 pitney you talk about why you have?
You have 2 pitney. 2 girl pitney come take out the money for me.
Say you idiot.
Who are idiot?
You make your pitney go take my money from you.
Don't raise the voice off of me.
I don't know, do something about that.
Oi.
Do something about that. Do something about that. I'm a tapper. Come out of me yard.
You can't run me out. You can't. So what's up here?
Come out of me yard, girl. Come out of me yard.
Why not argument with you?
Come on,
Why
come on, come on,
the bucket touch me?
How you going if you touch you? Come out of me yard.
Just my the bucket touch me.
Come out of me
Why
yard.
the bucket touch me? Make sure I tell you
This
that.
a dinosaur body, girl, yeah.
Dinosaur body girl, you see you improper fraction.
And whatever it is. You look like you sound more educational more than you. When call the word?
Improper fraction.
What that mean?
What the hell you ask me?
Put on the ranking bucket and really that's the only kid girl with guy.
Yes.
Give me this. Anyway, don't follow her. Me no know her. Me no know her. Me no know other picnic. Me no know her.
So worry yourself.
Are you alone?
Don't worry yourself.
Are you alone? What a girl fool you. Alright. Watch me and then 2 picnic there. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Time in
man.
the phone. I found a woman yard near coming up.
Hey, come on there. Go surely get you up the pump.
Listen me.
Yeah.
Why you go to the girl go take 20 grand for now?
Why you give her 20 grand and not give me nothing?
Every day me go to mother 40 grand and 50 grand.
You don't know, yo.
Who lie?
And that's why hard life I take your
Who lie?
You lie. You lie.
Me give you the mother money.
So you have evidence?
I see one man that. Maybe she has the money if run away. But me go to mother 40 and 50 grand a day time. Every day I see when the mother left the yard, I miss she come to. And I give her money.
No, you know what we know say. No, you know what we know say lie I tell. Yes, because most of the time when our mother left the yard with the back of her or go to work with her. So we know say she don't come to you. You told lie.
So you don't believe me?
We don't believe you.
Your one father I don't believe.
We
We don't believe you.
What do you have for my birthday? Where you buy me?
Sweetie, I told
Okay, so shut up.
You buy me one drinks.
Then no,
So if you look here, you see, look here. Sir, you didn't even my papa, sir, Mr. Oh, wait, last name again.
Henry.
Yes, Henry. Me dey, yeah, my papa, me dey even have your last name. Look here, you say, sir, you know what good for you? You take these long legs of yours and you're going to turn your body so you stretch them the other way like this and you continue to
I
walk.
saw not all on the father.
So, because
We good. Years not a father, years a sperm's donor.
you never done it your sperm. You only thing you do is let you out because you give your sperm to everybody. You come like you walk on a sponsor free sperm. That's all you
For
walk
me, I should have been the father of the year, the father of the year because
yes, father of the year. The father who... What is it now? What I say? Don't give this child no money. You never yet buy me a clothes with the palm of back. Every day, you're father of the year for father of the rum bar. That's all you do. You think so? We don't know? Every day you reach a rum bar. Nobody not for 10. It's Tinker Road. Every walk you walk.
That's why we take the money from the girl where you give.
Okay. I guess if you feel like say your body don't feel the same about me, so
you come back.
Yeah. You.
Your body enough, you come back.
you see, uno come like uno mama. Uno mama the same thing.
A serious way. Where you did expect?
Uno love money. Look how the dress on the road. Look how
Look how you dress. You look like you suffer. You look like say you suffer.
You have money and
you
you
must
look
suck you out. You say you have money and you still look so broke, pauperized, poor and tarnished. Look here, your conscience will bite you.
I don't know
One church, look here. One church. One church, I repent, give your life to God. Yeah, right now I feel like say not even God can save you, Cause look here, you know.
Spin your roll and go back up the road.
You know what you do? You say when you go in your yard, you go up on your knees and you go repent for over 1 hour. Reflect on your life. Give your life to Jesus. And Jesus alone can help you. See, if Jesus can help you, you go and then, we don't know where you go do. You go baptize. You go find the river Jordan where God baptized and you wash with every sin where you have. Because the devil will fool you, yeah? The devil
The devil just tell me just give a hand back, man.
Give me it. Give me it, no?
And back.
Give me it, no?
I hit them and back.
No, I hit that only so way.
I don't know, mama push me out, you know. Oh, no, mama taking 2 man for me, you know.
Oh, so you feel like if you didn't do your job properly, you never feel like say, well, I still have your role. I don't wrong her. You say if I didn't me and my mama, me would have left and gone long time to me would have run you. Take your finger out front and feel before you step on it.
Uno going to be the 2 bodies set up in them in the area.
Look here.
Uno have bad get.
You know what me would have say? No, you know what me would have say? I'm a proper example, me a follow. Yeah. Me would have say. Yeah, we are going to say earlier. Rum players.
Me not argue with them.
Rum players.
Me not argue with them.
Look here, your rum players and you're gone. You're spinning rolling. We were walking so peacefully.
Any day, you see me and my people, them a par and disturb them again. They never come back to me, so I trouble them again.
Anyhow, you give them no more money. Yes, the next time, give them 50 grand. Yeah? Give them 50 grand and say, I'm going to take that bad 50 grand.
I choose to use the rest and do what she wants.
No, I would use a clear bill.
So I will 20 grand and take from her.
Everything.
Oh no, left nothing. $1 again.
$1. You say, go up there right now, I gave him at least 5 grand more, so I'm going to follow, okay, and take back the 5 grand there.
No one here, you know.
We not worry. What we are worried
No one
for?
is.
We've been a survive a couple great years without you. We will continue to
Oh, no, how dead
survive.
young one, you know.
God, send it back to his sender. God, send it back to his sender. God, make it bounce off of me.
I only hope that 20 grand is starve, you know.
Oh, it's alright.
Drop off a shape one day.
No, in drop off a shape already. You see look like him a
come
sucker.
back to it because we are going to treat it like
Oh,
Look here, we're not afraid of you. Can you even do it in a way? Where you do for we? Where you all
we are
what you
can't
can
suffer.
do?
Yo.
Yeah, hard life and knock you. Look pa you. This a shirt you too tight pa you. Look then now we suck off.
See them have the
Couldn't-
too
You
short.
don't even beard. Me can't tell you frozen. Make you that smell you see how you from up there so you frozen. You see the time when you done you argue with where you use money a rum bar, go buy your soap.
Alright, no
Go buy your
worries.
roll-on, go buy your cologne.
Yeah, not off again.
When we know the way man come by that piece. It's me teeth.
Yes, man. How do you yard me coming now? I don't have your
come,
yard,
give
me
me
a
money.
come.
Yeah, come, give you pick them money.
Come,
Come,
gi-
so that
come
you
here.
come down for.
All the 20 grand me a come forward and take from the little girl. The 20 grand. You laugh.
Oi, my belly, is that true?
True.
You give little girl money. You buy front, you give little girl money.
You see me a buy front.
Where you give little girl money for your daughter? And the daughter me no know.
No.
Oh, so you just give money, sir?
Me just a help out a friend. I'm not like that.
Eh?
Me give the girl
Yes,
20 grand. I am two girl, them style little girl. and
My
the 20
two girl, and me and you make them. You never go when you make them.
No, me never make no so. Me just silent.
Okay, you're short
No,
memory.
me no like that, man.
Your rum give you short memory.
Me no like that.
Eh?
You have to tap, you have to chain them the best way.
Oh, hush.
And don't tell them, oh, me not take care of them. Me give one who 1 and 2,000, you know,
Which part you give you? Which stuff from what not? When is Caleb's birthday? A bag of ice mint to bring fear. When a Tita birthday, juice, look into
Come on, man.
Look
Which-
into
all right.
yourself, Papa, really.
I'm the father of the year.
You gotta give young girl, through them have long pretty hair, and brown, you gotta give them 20 grand, Papa. And you two pick them, these splashes. Chump change, and you give your two children of eat splashes and thank God for the steppers. Hey.
Nothing wrong with tin mackerel.
So
They can go
tell
and
me
splash it
something.
in
Where you
there.
other picnic what me know about get? And then I get the steak, and we get the mackerel.
No, listen me. Well, you're not understanding. I'm a man. And when you put
Man
me
too.
out, what you expect, say? Me no must get to another picnic. You choose man over me.
Hey,
Eh?
me understand so your other picnic is in between our two daughter age, so nobody go there. Me put you out when me find out. Nobody try blame me, say you go drop and put it in her.
Because you used to come in late, and me never like it. So me just go out there, go. Me never plan to get another youth, you know. Between me and a boss, the condom boss, the boss. And me couldn't do nothing about it. Me give her money to dash it away, and she carry it. But it's a good thing that she didn't dash it away because I fear her money me I live off her right now. Eh? You can't mind me, and you want me to stay with you. You can't
Me
mind
no
me.
want you. Me want you mind your picnic them.
cannot do
Me
that.
no want
I
you.
cannot use
You is
my-
a ex for a reason. Me no take back ex. Me no name that.
How we are correct?
Ex, you're ex man.
I'm still a part of your life.
No, me and you share children. We is what? Co-parenting.
No.
We are co-parenting.
Any man, they will get a baby mother. Even if they left 20 years from now, they can go back at that same spot.
Try.
They still have lock and key for there. So I don't know that.
Me lock for me and make it swallow the padlock. Me want to see how you go
You
hold
only
it down.
can
No.
lock it
Me
now.
not little 20-year-old girl, foo girl no more, you know. Me a big woman now. Try that crap with me again.
Listen me, you could have even withered up and me come them. You still arguing me. Because me and your baby father.
That's all. You see, when them reach 18, me not have to deal with you again. You deal with your daughter, them, and me deal with my lovely children. Well, try no say your salt, cause the money done.
I'm tell you this. Me why you want them, you know. Because they don't know who them are ramp with, you know. Me will wipe them out of my will.
What kind of will you have?
You don't know what
Like
kind of...
ice mint will. Ice mint will.
Which ice mint?
And juice will.
Let me tell
You
you
think
something.
say if you pick them, I'm gonna miss
Shut
that?
your mouth, let me tell you something. I have a big property when me buy, and I have a mansion when me a bill. Soon done. Me tell you that. And then when me live, and maybe when you come on me yard, it's my yard that. When me and my woman a bill together.
You mean your man a bill?
It
You
don't
mean your
matter.
woman a bill and you a catch?
It don't matter.
Oh,
Me still
your
have,
woman a bill and you a catch. Me no know me the
me still have
business
my mansion up the road with a bill though.
That's share bill.
And me buy a nice lovely property. And me have how much money in a bank.
But yet she'll give you 2 picnic splashes. All right.
Then
You know what?
Then we learn to eat that.
You fi scratch for your 20 grand, eh? Go scratch for your 20 grand, your salt, yes sir. Oh.
All right. After you come down, go on, yeah? Soon get where I look for. What half of me come go down the road.
Boy. I tired. Me say, Ali, Iman, just Iman make me take all of my strength. God disturb my peace.
Hey, I might turn figure on a joke now.
Yeah, what you talking about,
Let me
man?
catch chicken fan.
Catching.
Hoy! Me coming down the road and me see a sperm donor, but say him want.
We did not say more confused.
Yeah, we see him. But we hunger him. Proper way.
Too right. But come grow on a proper and how rob the girl and take 20,000.
We never rob no soul. We should not rob.
Of course.
We not stick him up.
Of course. But hi, tell me something. Him talk to in the morning, him talk to me. Cause when me and him talk, we just shout and argue.
Yeah.
No, sir, no father have mansion a bill?
No, me
Oh
don't.
no.
Hey! Him a cuss me down, say, me can't provide him had a baby mother and him a bill mansion and them already have a mansion and them a bill another one. I don't know about that. I don't know, so no forget more money then. Cause if him a get me no business with him, hey, take the joke. Me name baby mother.
Yeah.
So, anybody named baby mother, it could be 10, 20 years later. If him want go there, me must open up to him.
Them say shop lock.
A chap lock, me I'll swallow key in front of him.
Yeah, them say shop lock.
10 today. But all me know, when I go talk to a deadbeat pooper and find out see if him really have mansion or not.
Correction, sperm donor.
Cause if him have mansion, a bill, try no son, I just him had the outer yard that him I gonna give that to you know.
No.
Him have the 2 I no look after
Then
too.
better share it.
Exactly. So go find out the information and find out if mansion a bill. Cause if mansion a bill, it have a bill for Uno as well.
Right.
Oh.
When that bill, we control that.
Of course.
When I put it
Him a figure bill more than one. Him bill one for him out of street that him a figure bill one for no 2.
You're right.
Cause what is good for the geese is good for the gander.
Yes.
Alright, me go sort out food, cause I raise my pressure.
Yeah.
Alright, me love you no
Yeah,
here.
we love you.
Sean girl, what going?
Yes, sir, chill out, girl.
So,
Me there.
girl, you know say girl them take money.
You say, I idiot. All me a show you side and I say, man, them pick the right side of me and did I chat off him about 20 grand. You know, say, them pick they tell me, say, him not feed them.
I lie you tell.
Then tell me, say, him man not feed them none tall. And me I say, that man will love come about, come brav. No feed him, not feed them.
Yeah.
Cause one time I confront him and him tell me, say, I lie, them I tell, cause I pay ox tail and this and that thing. Them I say, I lie, you tell. Cause the people them tell me, say, I don't give them nothing to eat. Me say, man, wicked and lie, and then you all give you 20 grand. And me and your friend. I look, man, look here.
Yeah.
Me know, I'm come tell me, like, but I chew you look manga, you look like you give them nothing. Me say, stop tell lie.
I lie my tell.
Me know,
You never tell me when you give me money though.
Anyways, you good though.
Yeah, girl, I'm just there, I go on easy back.
Sassy, you got a bar ever since when the accident
No,
happened?
girl.
Me not go down there either, girl, cause me can't bother.
So yeah, different.
There's a chill time, hot and bored. I don't even know what I go do. I have my phone now. They didn't see me with me. I don't even have my phone right now.
True.
So me there said anyway. So you good do?
Yeah, girl, my good.
Yeah, so you go.
So,
Alright, later.
yeah, come?
No, me I go down there, so you love Fred too much, you know.
Come
So
here,
fine.
girl, and stop being some of your juice.
Alright.
Oh God have
I'm
mercy.
so glad you come back.
I'm tired.
Me feel like a time for me tell mommy.
Tell me what.
But you two picnic when you have, cause I go on the road for go look for them and I mean, see them now. Oh,
Oh, you go look for somebody when you never seen in person.
from them that huggy like a yo.
Well, maybe. Listen, let me tell you something. Your mommy don't know so me had two picnic already. You know. So it don't make no sense you walk.
And you give them 20,000. And me want some of my green something. So nobody suck it off.
So you know so much. You see. You and your mother is the same. No difference. You don't love money. You don't love watch people. You don't love determine people's life. See, me can't go walk sick of your mama.
Daddy, me tell you this. You see, sometimes I try my friend, me know boxing in your face. Can you make this little maga body girl come to me and call me in Papa Fraction?
He never say improper fraction, he say infract.
You do an improper fraction, me remember, because I mean she call so. And then the little maga girl, you gotta go give money.
Then, nothing wrong if you help out the needy.
She like she need it. She born maga, she go and die maga.
And that would have been, you see, only young girl, no use this, no use yasso, no make down this and yasso thing for yourself.
You don't use yasso, you make up best and done this or think for yourself.
I check me.
Me not threatening you, me not afraid of you. You me pop up, me don't afraid of you.
Your mother might send money for bill listener, but I can put out your cloth.
And you see the night when you got the rum bar, elastic, please to find it back. Me if you can walk through my front door and go in. Me not to walk through the side. Find back the key.
And it's unfair too. If you say my baby mother house and you put me in the back room.
So you think you're not gonna sleep?
The front room?
You don't value front room section, me dear. Turn a back.
Eh?
A back door appearance you have. Stay around there so. Me have front door appearance, me turn a front.
You ever look into the mirror?
Are you looking at the mirror right now?
What are you trying to say?
And if me ugly, you uglier. And you may get me jeans them from.
You know, I'm not gonna argue that today. Make it be the
And
last.
the money me want, I'm not 20 me want, 40 me want.
Make it be the last time you open up your mouth after me. Alright.
Me don't afraid of you.
Remember say me want you know.
Me don't afraid of you. And if you go to Panama, go visit the family member them over on the island. Because I don't afraid of you.
Don't think you're bright, you're fat. Alright, you must come back here.
Boy, this is the coolest room in the house. You realize?
Yeah.
So like everybody in here. Oh God. And the good.
Yeah. We're just there.
Yeah, we just existed. I want to ask you something.
Mm-hmm.
When I said that they have whole land and everything, actually,
One thing me know with your sperm donor, you know. You love him rum. You love him woman, them. But he might like to out the street what he give you know. But he not like what him have. And him tell me, say, him have mansion already. And next mansion a bill. Mansion no house, get it right.
Mansion and a house.
oh, mansion or palace.
While we live on Splash.
And we live in this tabernacle. And him live in a mansion.
I'm grateful for steppers.
We're grateful for the tabernacle still.
Yeah.
But him better know say, when that bill, he not left for you.
A wicked man that. Wicked man. But today for him, tomorrow for no, my girls.
Right. That will make a way.
Yeah, man.
Yes. But either way, so that's just what I wanted to know. That's all.
If you know what you have, if you're entitled to.
Yeah.
When I hear the phone, yeah, club.
Girl, we have to go robbing, you know.
We're not robbing. We're just gonna take what is ours.
Alright.
Too.
So when we do it?
No. Just to know y'all. Good things take time.
Yeah. Alright then. And bye now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Girl, how go link Papa for your money, no?
Before you go link Popeye, you know how you get to get the $20 $.
Girl, that's sweetheart, me sweetheart. You know?
When you say the best way how you can get more money, girl, is when in junk. You know say you love the room and everything.
That's true.
So when in junk, you can just say trick him up and then give him more money.
So
I 30,000. I pay 5 grand and give me. Me have to class him up, girl. What's the me have 5 grand, girl?
I'm just saying now feed him, pitney them.
And that's so me here. One time I catch them up on the road, them see me, you know.
Yeah.
And me I tell them, oh, him love drink and everything.
I see somebody, I'm going in the yard, and I tell him, when two daughter them take the money from me. And when I'm in the friend daughter, but I see a girl let them. As they are chatter from about dinosaur body, this and that.
They the class are up.
The class, what you gotta say?
Tell them no know what of them no. No know what of them. Cause he not even feed them and them have problem look up body.
That's true. And in the
We say you go link him?
Yeah.
Alright, go on now, come there still.
Alright, yeah.
Yes, God.
Papa, you gone.
How are you doing?
Come check in.
What you check me for?
No, we have to check it for your money.
Me give you 20 grand.
Yeah.
Right? I you make my little two gym bang them take you from you. You don't respect me if you make them take you from you.
Say that to them.
Yeah, I'm a daughter them, but they go on and say me nah mind them. I'm give them 10 and 20 grand a day and weekly. To show you how they're wicked. But yeah, I go and give you the $200 me have now.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
And you take it and fix up yourself. Buy some
Oh. Give me my girl, give me the money. Thank you.
Are your money? One.
And my papa so for me one.
Go.
Girl, you better run, you know.
Your father say tell me how much money.
Yeah, hear me say for run.
Your father say how much.
Sis, grab a girl by head.
One.
Jag him, go on. Yeah, go on. You can't do nothing. Go on.
One.
You see that with you now, you know, my papa. That with you. Every fake and fire and every shit and shite and everything with their road. You take up your money, except for your kids, right? Well, so this now, this a government is going to do me, my mother, and my sister very well.
Why the 200 things you come attack me and fight me over my money?
Eh? I never touch you.
Where you come from? What? Look where you on the road, you know.
It's alright with it. Look where you on the road, you know. Tear, holy. Eh?
Homeless.
You pop down, you're homeless. Look here.
Homeless.
I want to make me homeless.
No, you're not,
you never mind when you get with nothing and you make yourself homeless. A bad blessing will follow you. You're a bad blessing will follow you. Yes, if you didn't mind your pitney and take care of your pitney, God wouldn't make your time so. But it's
my mama walk on a chat say me not mind.
I know when you walk on a chat say we see it to yourself. Okay.
How much day a week when you go to school?
Thanks to our mother, we go the 5 days. Yes, if I did you, we are depend on, we'll do reach a school, none all. Yeah?
Listen, come here, son. I want to talk to you. Come here, son.
Sure, let us.
Come right here, son. Let me chat to you. Listen me now.
What happened?
I don't listen me clearly. You see two of you? You two of you see me on the road with me girl them? See me or not see me?
We have to see a car with pa.
No, we don't have to see him, but look here, lock your face. You see, anytime we see him, or anytime I'm going to give money, or anytime we know him got money, that's the only time we see him. Okay, but you see, other than that, if you see up on the left, you take it on the right. If you see up on the right, you take it on the left.
But anytime we see a girl,
avoid we like a plague. Avoid we like one horse with a bullfrog where you're afraid, yeah?
So
what?
Oh, no, mama send me on the road to attack me.
Oh no, our mama didn't send us. We mother knows so we take daily walks.
So now bulldog?
Yes.
No, me a pit bull and a pit conqueror.
So you come to attack me?
Yes.
No, sir.
Over my own money.
Yes.
So no bad mind and grudge me.
We no bad mind. We are take what
I can't live. Me have my mansion, a bill, and me have another mansion, and me have my property. You no grudge me feet.
No.
Oh no.
No. Listen.
Oh no, is that...
Yeah.
Oh, Delilah.
Yeah. Continue, you're not done yet. You run out.
Oh, look rich.
Yeah.
Look at Jezebel, concubine.
Listen, look come here.
Me could beat me. Go on. Think I'm afraid. Yeah, grab his stone, sis. Make him. Bright.
Let's do the run.
You should have moved. My mother.
What happened?
Nothing. You will never guess what happened today.
Lord, where you a grow to? I mean, I look up and it's giant. What happened?
You would have never guess what happened.
What happened? I know win the lotto.
No, we
Yeah,
saw
well,
his
you
friends
partially,
going out
partially.
there, so
No.
with the same girl, we ain't give money the last
A 20
time.
grand, we say I give him $200 US.
Hey! Hey! So you make your papa walk off with that the money if him give girl 200.
Miss Mother. You should know better. You know that's your girl.
We not making run off with
It's not gonna happen.
Woo!
They don't want to.
Uh-huh.
Just grab it out your hand, so.
Uh-huh.
And guess what? No, guess what? We beat the papa too.
Yes.
You never.
He deserve it.
Yes.
But
Yes.
he come on.
Grab it and a lick.
Ooh,
Because
pick
you
me.
don't feel like
If-
and blah,
I
blah,
have
blah.
me there.
Yes. Too right. If it true no, him no grow no. Him
He
forget.
feel like he
him
have them
forget.
rights there.
Oh
Crazy.
God, could this?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I real too. What?
Yes, real.
Hey! What? Una want? Una have to go bigger than Oxtail tonight. And I have to go bigger and
Yeah,
better
like
than
an
Oxtail
Oxtail wheel.
tonight.
Yeah.
Yes,
Goat.
yes. Where you want to go? For Una treat, you know? For
Anyway,
Una
as long
treat.
as a
Me
food.
just a come with Una, but for Una treat. We'll work hard for this.
I got 8 till my heart content.
Yes, all dessert and everything,
Everything.
too. And Sunday and Monday and everything.
Right.
Wow, I saw no, but me not saw nobody no. I saw no, and I know deserve 50 million more than this.
Right.
Eh? How big gonna be? And I just this we forgive thanks for.
Yet.
Eh.
Start. You know, finish it.
Yeah. I'm not
Wanna be sensitive? Wanna be sensitive to him?
Me feel so. Maybe not.
Maybe
Cause me
not,
take up
but-
one big
and then
log
it-
white did it. I me did that.
No, you're not for kill him,
No,
baby.
me
You're
not
not for kill him.
kill him.
Please, I
Me
rock
not
so
lick
this
him
one
feel
fine,
feel it, but him run, him fast. Yes. Me feel like him could join Olympics or something. Yeah. Me feel so if he take up that as profession, he would have faster than ball too. Me just see.
Probably,
He gone.
probably if he run more when he in a high school, he would have fast.
Aye.
But me still throwing a couple lick on him, you know.
Yeah,
Come in,
yeah,
did I make
couple
him
lick
one
well.
try lick me? Me and him.
Me not wrong you, me not wrong
The
you.
girl send him down the road.
Right.
She little and
Enough.
prime.
Right. My papa didn't give me so much
Well,
money.
aye, when we was her age.
We even get $50 US.
Well, when they get $100 US each, well, me proud of
One
them.
for yourself.
We got since you say we are go out go eat, cause is Ono is in picnic, you know. Me and him long left.
Oh.
Me and him not nothing for deal with. So anything you see me collect, I feel Ono.
Yeah.
Cause me and him no response no more.
Can't
So,
feel that eat there.
me I figure ask, so now, can I, as your mother, come to dinner with you two
Yes.
lovely girls?
No, me feel like me that get next meeting. You must come.
No.
Yeah,
You
you
forget
must
something on your father.
Me know, but you deserve one. You must come.
Oh
What type of
God,
question them there?
oh God, we love you, you know. Oh God. Yes, baby, yes, baby, yes. This tell you, say the bigger the test, the bigger the bless. God, boy.
Jesus, how we are go like a mad woman, so.
You see how you name food, girl?
I'll buy for
Oh, but yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
See when we come to short, no one girl, or man,
Yeah.
you better start spending by me, so. I get I'm not feeding now. Cause we take good care of me. If you want good woman, you want man take care of what you look like me.
No, my dear.
The people about man, about girl for man in 2020.
You never know.
No,
You still go.
Well-
them life will be that sad. So we not living.
No.
We are mother just a walk.
Yeah.
Okay, so our life. Hi, mom.
Hello.
Our father friend.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm a good friend, man. We always sit down on that chair. You know?
Talk up to them people that take on $200.
Mommy had a little kid here. And she did get a 20 and a 2.
Okay. So you are papa eating it, Mbappé?
Me papa do them is
Let me ask you a question, little girl. How old you be?
58.
If I go jail today, 15. So you don't even reach legal age yet, little girl, and you take money from big man. You know shame.
At school.
What kind of school he might help you towards? You know shame, little girl. Oh God, little girl, and you look how you're tiny a little bit. And I sell to big man.
Mommy, we don't judge.
This is disrespect on the ears.
Anyways, guys, me I come go about business. Bye.
Yeah, go and buy your business.
Yeah, girl.
No, you just take up your book, little girl.
But you tell me I said it.
Look here, stop
Yeah.
Yeah. No, another pan him. Please go to school and study. Low big man money alone.
Yeah.
Yes, if you don't have no money, you go work for your as a parent.
Listen,
Yeah.
I see Papa and Papa said my help me towards school.
Just so? Just
What
so?
you who to tell if I not groom him or groom you?
He might help you towards school, but you not look into it. He might help you towards school. What he might get from this?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly the point. But
If you look into things, little girl, don't just take people at them words. You see people face, you know, see them hearts.
yeah,
God, look how you little bit. Go home and take up your book here
Yeah, go and go study.
and put down, man. Put down Papa, him and not
Yeah,
good man.
and don't make me hear talk about get back no more money around bar.
Cause him 2 children here. Him have them to look after. Oh God.
And more.
And more.
Mm-mm.
Girl. You know say you want dirty girl?
We do a.
Before I ever beat the girl them.
Wait, so you gotta tell me, say, I see three Hulk, and me little magic, maga stick, broomstick. Yeah, you want me beat them. You say, oh my God,
Yeah, girl, that's true.
come on, you want them broke and two. Where's me have somebody where I prove me over a man already where I'm boss me, you know. Me not have time for this right now, girl. So either you go your yard and leave people them alone. Me I got my yard, me don't know about you.
You say me your friend.
Me nah bet nobody batter me. You say me done mag already. They go to take me and sweep your way. They go to hold me like, you know when people are sweep, they go to hold me like a broom and just bat you away. You know something matter?
So you gonna know.
Me yard. You know go yard?
Yeah.
Think you want to see a fight them, they would have batter you see?
Boy. What a bam enjoyment, full enjoyment we had. Oh God.
Say, I tired.
Mm-hmm. Me see how I broke and dance last night. Hey, little bit of
time we get to enter.
yes.
Yeah, once in a while.
Yes. And then also if we go, so from now on, we'll put it out there to the universe till God says more than once in a while. We want this regular, not true, bigger and better.
Right.
Because you can wake up and pick and choose what breakfast you want. Let's say it we go.
So, mommy, may I have something to ask you?
Mhm.
I'll tell you for right, how is that?
Before we work today, I was gonna get some paper and some print, but I will want under the signature. Because then what am I gonna do? That's when we get in signature, the assets in mansion and so you
Yeah.
have to transfer over to here.
Yeah.
So you know what? When I'm gonna take it, we just have to we just have to go and teach him one lesson.
So if you want to
Yeah.
him have to run come back
Him have
to
to
we,
come
so we
to we.
treat him how he do treat we.
Yes.
Yeah.
When I
Me
take it, though.
confused. Me
not
confused.
take
What kind of paper that? So scam, we not just scam him?
We not scam him.
Me not want nothing to do.
We
no.
don't want
no,
it.
no,
We
no.
just a teach him a lesson.
Because school for a reason, we're never going to look pretty or ugly or nothing. We're going to learn. Now we
Yeah.
learn.
And we
We
learn.
learn something in class.
Yeah.
So you not gonna make him sign it and
Yeah.
that go sign over to you, no?
Mm-hmm.
That's all we want is just your signature.
Just
when
your
you put your
signature.
everything automatically belongs to we. So when I go take it for myself, we just go take it and teach him.
We just a go lock it down till he wants something have to come to we for it.
For real?
Yes.
And then print it already?
Yes.
Wow.
We just want his signature.
So how not gonna get him signature?
And don't worry. We must go to road and find something or some idea and get them for action for sign it. Them
Yeah.
some community something where them are grown and I take maybe census or data or something.
Our school something. We can't tell
Are
him
we
school
yourself can go to him, you know, and tell him say his school want his signature. Cause him a get best father award and everything.
And the fool will believe
Trick
it.
him
You
up,
know?
make him believe
The
it.
fool, the idiot will believe that.
Yeah, and he now do nothing for you, but yet him my best father.
Mm-hmm.
You know when the best time for catch him?
When him drunk.
When you're not gonna get no sense out. When him just start drink, when him have about 2-3 drink and start feel hotter, start feel nice, that's the best time. No wait till him too drunk. Him not gonna make no sense.
Alright.
And that's enough
so
to
you
do.
say what we are going to do now?
Mm-hmm.
We are going to fit the documents out to the job. And we are going to meet. We are going to pay me up.
Well, only taking what you're entitled to. If you need to look after him in the first place, you wouldn't be thinking like that.
Right. So we are going to teach him a lesson. A very valuable one.
Remind me one thing. One thing me I beg you know. Don't make me cross on the year. Me no want to get on the wrong side.
Yeah. Good matter. You're learning.
Why?
Oh boy, yo! Last night when hot, you see fear look at my friend. You know, you can't see him from there.
Yeah, long time, yes.
That drunk! Tell the little girl, say, yo, don't drink no rum. Stick to your education and the girl do it behind the back and go drink rum.
So now, what are the down a bar? You know that I don't come a bar?
You couldn't tell me that she bad. I see her go home with Rasta.
I did tell you.
I never noticed that little pitney was not a virgin. I stopped spending my money for him. I stopped spending my money for him. Come
You get paid to what? 10?
20 and 30,000. And them money they begin come meet a man. I love spend money for girl. I love take care of people. And that me do.
I did one.
But when I spend money big.
And you can't give me money big. So at this a girl, yeah. What take my friend man? You see this a girl, yeah? Me catch up on my friend man bike back, you know. Gonna party. All my friend man buy her food. And she don't want the boy.
Me? Me the innocent, tell you.
No, shut your mouth. So every time you come round me, right? I mean, I give me 5,000, them have 6,000. And that's the other too. I me out too.
Yeah, you come with your bike, you come and go to something more. I'm not really want about
So what you take me for? Girl, when me buy you things, then I feed you and I will feed you. You say you're big enough. You say you're 18. And me decide to like you and I spend on you little. Yeah, go on, so.
Hello.
But me tell you some more, yeah, you
She don't want you.
I don't want
Young girl like I said, go want something like you. That is sit down. Excuse me, excuse me, because your maga like your friend too.
When you come out of the yard?
Come and look for you.
For what, me last?
Yes. Can you up here with a young girl and what you think young girl want old man like you?
Of course.
Look how you old, what am I do with you?
They want somebody in their life to motivate them.
No, all she did want you in her life to spend the money.
I am the best man around here.
Father of I do? Are you date them too?
No.
Huh?
One father.
Me don't know them.
You don't know them?
No.
Oh.
Don't tell lie. You know a way. Where you pitney. Look here, since has you ever call yourself Father of the Year? Father set your high.
Yeah,
Take off your hat.
Father of the Year.
Yeah.
Father of the Year.
You know what? My school asked me if give the document here, so you can sign it and enter one something where if it's the best Father of the Year. And pan
See it? And
well,
them is
right.
something they come from school, come give me.
And wait, no, let me finish now. And you say pan it, we are going to write one what you do for we. Yeah? So you are going to get best Father of the Year. You got pen by you?
You can sign on your so please.
Check there.
No, me not got no pen. I don't got no pen.
That's a good thing. Me always travel with
Yeah.
pen.
Yeah, good.
Father of
Right,
the
no,
Year.
look.
Oh God.
Yes, it's alright. You're
When
going
for time is it?
right here.
Right here, so right on the line.
Yeah, right on the line right there.
The signature.
Yes.
On the other line, a full name.
No, write the date right there. The day when you sign it. As in today.
Oh,
Yes.
today.
Write the date.
Today. And
Yes. Yeah. And in next, why your signature right down here too.
Yeah, put a
Huh?
signature.
Right there, so your signature.
Your
go your
signature right
signature.
there.
so to my signature.
Yes, remember best Father of the Year.
Father of the Year. You hear that?
Yes.
Father of the Year. You say you did
Do that. Yeah. But this
Yeah.
Who is she?
I'm a sister.
So
Well, my sister, it's pleasure to meet you and congrats. We got the father.
Oh
Yeah.
yes.
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 Nice to meet you.
Oh God.
Huh?
Oh God, you should go to school.
come on.
Oh God!
Hug up father
All
from
right.
there. Yeah, slap me so hard.
Tell him mother say,
So what? Yeah, come home for dinner tonight?
come away.
Yeah,
Oh, so shut him up then when I tell my mother not.
You see that? That's why you have to go to school.
Boy.
Get education
Daddy.
right here, so.
Daddy, you should have gone to school get education if you ever know what you sign.
Come on, Father of the Year. Father of the
You
Year.
and mommy go and have things. Why you send a people and mommy property give the people them? You can't read!
Which property?
You cannot read! The man tell the house everything, all your bank statement, everything! Me Jesus.
Yeah, idiot.
Me a burn up.
Yeah, no,
Me
sir.
a burn up.
Listen, come
No,
good.
no, no.
Come good. Come
No,
good.
me a good left you.
Come you know no
Lord,
sense.
you don't have no sense.
You know no sense, boss.
Yes, my girl. Well, my two princess, them me call you back. Something coming. Let me call you back. Yeah, man. Yeah. And I hate this.
I hate.
Then what else could it be?
Yeah.
Inside it.
Yes.
Well, obviously, it should have to be that. No, me keep doing it. Remember we said before.
Remember we
Inside.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'll stamp the panit and everything.
Yes.
Your body, everything what we need.
So you all get it stamped by JP and everything.
Yes, it's official.
Ours. Not for him. Ours.
So yeah, no. Guess what? Guess who will come
Put it
crawling
up.
and begging
Good.
back?
Put it up, my girl.
Yeah.
Put it
Guess
up.
who soon come knock on your door?
Just give him a couple minutes or so until the bank or anywhere
Call
come to
him.
contact him. Any
Yes.
estate agency, anything. If it was
And they soon coming on. You soon hearing knock
No,
on
but
the
they
door.
do nothing illegal now, you know.
No.
Read it.
You realize
Stick to the
no,
plan.
with the two plan, you realize if a JP stamp it, it is not illegal. Because the
illegal.
JP would not.
I him sign
something
it. I feel
illegal.
weak.
Come, my brother, no.
Now we.
I that me I say.